Have you ever heard a clicking sound on a roller coaster lift hill and wondered what it is? Despite what people think, it isn't the chain that makes the sound. It is actually an anti-rollback device, which is a fail-safe to keep guests safe. With this, the train cannot roll back down the lift hill if for any reason the lift comes to a stop. It will only allow the train to move forward. As the train descends up the lift hill, the metal pieces on the train slot into the tooth of the anti-rollback device, causing the clicking sound.